welcome back to Talk of the Town. Do you realize how important it is to have your roof cleaned, to keep all the leaves, all that pine straw, all of that off your roof? We're going to find out about that right now with a super company. It's called Quality Roof Cleaning. And we have the owner, who is Dobbie Green, and his son, Michael Green, who also serves in the fire department in Pooler. So good to have you with us.
Thank you.
All right, so let's just dive right into the little history of the company. Of course, this is your son.
Okay.
You're the owner, Dad. And how did you all get started? You said you've been in business 27 years, so tell us a little bit about the history.
Well, my family moved here in the 60s, and my mom raised 5 of us working food and beverage by herself on Hilton Head, and great place to grow up. And then I joined the fire department at 18 on Hilton Head. Okay. And while I was there, they trained me to climb on roofs, how to rappel upside down and work with ladders, and I had all these great big brothers to teach me things like that. Mentors like Reggie Malphus and Patrick Standish, Jeff Hartberger, great guys, Eddie Johnson. Anyway, it was just a natural fit for us to blow off roofs, and we've been doing it for about 27 years now. Right,
wow. And so your service area is really Hilton Head, Bluffton. You said you live in Bluffton?
Hilton Head, Bluffton, Sun City.
Right, okay.
We go to Beaufort like every other month, but we like to keep it from Hilton Head to Sun City, pretty much.
All right, Michael, so talk about, as I opened this segment, it's so important to keep your roof clean. Why?
It is. That stuff, all the pine straw, leaves, debris that piles on there, it'll get in the valleys, it'll get up above the skylights, around the chimney, even places you can't see on a bunch of those roofs.
Right.
Even the flat roofs and everything else. So they fill up the gutters, they clog the downspout, so when it rains, your gutters aren't able to work properly. So we get in there, we clean all that debris out, we make sure that the downspouts are flowing properly, because when that stuff sits on there, it holds moisture, it can cause roof damage, bugs, and all that stuff. So most of our customers have it done on a rotation where they don't have to worry about looking up our number.
Okay,
we come
I
out there
that.
every 3 months or every 6 months or however often it needs to be done with the amount of trees they have over their house. And we come out there, get it done for them, and clean up the mess and let them go on with their day.
I would think it's kind of a dangerous job. Of course, you're in the fire department, so you have to climb and all of that. But I know your dad doesn't get on roofs anymore, does he? I think you do.
But fortunately, he has us to handle that. And it's a dangerous work. You're going to see a ton of people that have landscaping business and pressure washing, but there's not many people that can get up on those steep roofs, and we can. So that's how it works. We work shift work at the fire department. I normally handle things on my days off, and if I'm not there working, you're going to have another one of our firefighters there that are highly trained to get up there and do it safely.
Right. Well, I was wondering, there are companies that do other things, other types of cleaning, but you are specialized in just roof cleaning, which I think that's important.
That's right. We get up there we do it from the roof, so we're able to clean it out, make sure everything on the roof is cleaned off properly, even those areas that you can't see. And a lot of times while we're up there, we'll find damage, especially after some of the storms we have, where limbs have fallen or whatever else. And you'll have damage on the roof that you can't see from the ground. We're able to notify the homeowner of that before it gets too bad and they have a leak in the house, they can get it repaired. So that's
excellent. Yes, very good point.
And I want to point out that we're licensed and insured and trained to do that. So a lot of times landscapers aren't really insured to do that kind of work, to work on roofs. Their liability insurance is not to work on roofs. So we're the best. If we have an accident, you're not going to get sued. You're not even going to know about it.
Right.
Accidents do happen after 27 years. I fell off a roof in 2020 and
You're okay.
Had a little dirt nap. I'm fine. But woke up and wiped myself off, and we finished the job and left, and the people never knew. We didn't sue them. We're not sued.
Right. Are all your sons involved with the business?
They are. They've all
really?
helped. They've all helped at one time or another.
5 sons, by the way.
5 boys from 18 to 32, 19 to 32, and they've all helped, and they still help when we need them.
The Greens. Thank you so much for being with us. Again, the name of the company is Quality Roof Cleaning. If we want to get in touch with you, how do we do that? What's your website or a phone number?
Phone number 843-683-1155, or you can email us at sgreen1677@yahoo.com.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much for what you do, and thanks for being on the show. Nice to meet you.
Absolutely. Thanks for
Great
having us.
story. Great company.